customer came to us and they had a specific chair, they had a fall-on protection ROPS system that had a unique mounting on the side of the arm. So we actually had to design for that, knowing that the operator had to be able to exit that side of the machine. So we had to design for this unique base that was on the bottom of their armrest. We had to make a new armrest that would go onto there. We would allow it to flip up, allow it to slide out, and allow it to lock down in place with a quick mechanism. It also had to have the controls on the end of the joystick in order to allow for the new steering mechanism. Instead of having a steering wheel on the machine, they're actually using a small load sensor on the side that is giving back position feedback into the control system. That then has a fluid inside of it that as you apply current to it, it increases or decreases the resistance to it. So as you're applying more current from your control system, say that you're steering really fast and you're trying to steer faster than what the controls can keep up with it, it'll start to apply more and more current to that so that it gives you more and more resistance. Similar to your car, when you're trying to steer really, really fast, it will start to actually slow that wheel down. You're getting that same type of feedback here, but it's all in a drive-by-wire environment, so there's only electrical signals going between there. The control system is applying more current to it in order to slow it down, and it's supplying the signal to the control system to tell you where the steering should be on that vehicle. Users are getting more and more used to hand controls from video games, from other things, other smaller input devices. They could use a joystick in order to do the steering control. Now they're looking at this, so it's more similar to a steering wheel, but that's probably the biggest reason for it. Other one is that they want more visibility right in front of them. So with the steering wheel gone, they have the controls over here, they have that, they have better line of sight visibility here. So now their steering wheel is gone, removed it from that space. They move the other controls that were on the steering column over to the right side, other ones here. There's still a few park brake switches and some hazard controls that are there for lights. In this design process, we definitely helped out on multiple different levels. So we were actually able to print the whole armrest. So we were able to work on the ergonomics. We actually went through, I think, probably 7 or 8 different prints on there. We were able to help with the actual control knob. We did different variations of that, the placement of how the hand fit on there. So originally we thought it should be like this. After a while, we did all of the testing for it. We actually figured out your hand is way more comfortable this way. And we did that by printing that all up and going through those renditions and testing. We were able to find that stuff out and doing a lot of the R&D and development stuff in order to figure out what the best fit and modeling would be for that. So the control system and everything like that, we were able just to provide the signals. They were able to write the software for that. It was really helping out on getting the ergonomics correct and the mechanical functionality of it.